Hello guys, my name is Nick. Today we will talk about Otter.ai. So in this video, I will show you how to use this website, how to create an account here, what benefits does this site provide, and so on. So let's get started. As you can see, now I'm on their homepage. This is how it looks like. And as you can see, Otter.ai is the first AI meeting assistant. Never take meeting notes again, get transcripts, automated summaries, action items, and chat with Otter to get answers from your meetings. On the homepage, you can meet with their free AI tools, AI Meeting Assistant, Otter AI Chat, and AI channels. And firstly, I would like to show you how to create an account on this website. All you need to do is just click on the login button at the top right. On this page, at the very bottom, you can find the Create Account button. Let's click on it. Okay, and now just continue with your Google account or Microsoft account. I'm gonna select this the first way. Okay, and that's all. The registration process is very simple. So just click on next, select your account again, and now you can invite teammates to your workspace. To do it, just type their email addresses here, or just click on next and leave this field empty. Let's click on next. And now you can try their free trial period for 14 days, or just click on I prefer the basic plan. This is the completely free plan, which you can easily use. Okay, no thanks. And finally, you can see how the dashboard looks like. On the left side, you can see your profile, homepage, Otter.ai chat, search, apps, and channels. So you can create your own channel, create direct messages, and add folders. To create something, just click on the plus button and name it, of course. Let's start exploring the website from the Otter.ai chat tab. This is a new tool, as you can see. And this is a basic AI chat, so like ChatGPT or Gemini and so on. All you need to do to start working with this AI, just type your answer or a task in this field at the very bottom. For example, tell me about the Earth and send it to this chatbot. And here is the answer from Otter.ai. As you can see, this is a very helpful tool. So to start recording, you need to click on the record button at the top right and of course allow your microphone to this website. Also, you can just import your MP3 file just by clicking on the import button, drag and drop it right here, or click on browse files and select the necessary file. On the right side, you can find meetings, calendar, and action times. Now let's move to apps. On the left side, you can click on it. Here you can find a lot of helpful apps, for example, Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoom, and so on. And of course, you can add it absolutely for free. Just click on Add for the necessary application, type your email address and password right here, and click on Sign in. So what about plans? On Otter website, you can find 4 plans, basic, which you can use for free, 300 minutes left. So you can easily get it too for free. All meeting assistant records, transcribes, and summarize in real time. Otter.ai chat, add teammates to your workspace, join Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet, and so on. 300 monthly transcription minutes, 30 minutes per conversation. Import and transcribe free audio or video files lifetime per user. The second plan is Pro for 8.33 USD per month if you pay annually. Business for $20 per month, and enterprise, but if you would like to get this plan, you need to contact Otter website. To do it, just click on this button. And of course, if you would like to upgrade your plan, click on buy now for the necessary plan. Well, it was a short review. I really hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos.